17 on your study guide is asking, so it says a car dealership tracks the number of cars sold each month and the average number of customers visit the showroom during that month. Now the table shows the data for 5 different months. So X values are our average monthly customer visits and our Y values is the number of cars sold. Now based on the table, what is the best prediction? Keyword prediction. That is the keyword right now. What is the best prediction for the number of cars that will be sold in a month with an average of 800 customers? So again, 800 customers visits comes from the X right here, customer visits. So when my X is 800, what is the value of Y? So I see a table, listen, spreadsheets. So I go to listen spreadsheets, my X. But what do you notice? I have old data saved. So go back home, click new, select no. Now, let me make this bigger so you guys can see it. Not like this. There we go. So at least you guys can see it right here on the screen. Because we're going to have to do something different with this one now. So I go to listen spreadsheets. This is my X values, right? This is my Y values. And I start typing all of my numbers. So 500, 750, 300, 600, 900. I got all the X value, just 25, 40, 15, 32, 48. Now that we're done typing all the numbers, you already know that we have to click Control, Doc, go to number 5, data and statistics, because we want the equation. So this is my X values. Here are my Y values. Okay. And from here I can click menu. We can select analyze and regression with mx plus b. Now this is my equation. Now I'm going to show you a trick that you can use instead of like typing all of these numbers. So you can just click Control, Doc. We're going to add a graph. And my trick is actually not working. Never mind. So we're going to have to type this equation in the graph. So I see 0.05566. So 0. And I forgot the number. There you go. 0.00566 x, and then minus 1.9528. Okay, and it erases what we typed. So once again, it is better if you write it in a sheet of paper, right? Because I already forgot again my numbers. 0.5566 x minus 1.9523. Let me just press enter. Let me see if that was my data. 1.9820. Let me see. 28.3. Got it. Now that I have this, we can just open the table, right? And then split the screen. But imagine here looking for the X value of 800. That's like insanely a lot. So what could you do? Well, you can actually calculate this. And you know that the equation is 0.05566. And I'm just going to leave the X right here. You're going to see what I'm going to do. Minus 1.95283. Now my X is 800. So I'm going to substitute the X with 800. And when I do that, we get approximately 42.57. So if you look at your multiple choice, 52.87, it is close to 42. So that's why we say that the correct answer is going to be 42, which is letter A. And then you can go ahead and try number 18 on your own.